Welcome back to Bike Studio, your ultimate destination for the latest bike reviews, news, and updates. Today we have something truly special for you, the 2025 Kawasaki Z900. This Streetfighter is one of the most popular naked bikes in the world, and Kawasaki has made it even better for 2025. So let's dive into the details and see what makes this beast stand out in its segment. The 2025 Kawasaki Z900 continues to dominate the naked sport bike category with its aggressive styling and powerful performance. At first glance, the design screams attitude. Kawasaki has kept its Zagome-inspired styling intact, but has given it a fresh, sharper look for 2025. The new LED lighting setup, aggressive headlamp design, and muscular fuel tank add to its Streetfighter appeal. It now comes in some stunning new color options, giving riders more choices to match their style. The fit and finish are top-notch, as always, making the Z900 look premium and intimidating on the road. Moving on to the heart of the machine, the Z900 is powered by a 948 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that produces around 125 horsepower and 98.6 Newton-meters of torque. This engine is a masterpiece of engineering, smooth, responsive, and thrilling at every twist of the throttle. It's paired with a 6-speed gearbox that now comes with an assist and slipper clutch for smoother downshifts and reduced rider fatigue. Kawasaki has also improved the ride-by-wire system, making throttle response crisper and more precise than ever before. Whether you're cruising in the city or pushing hard on the highways, the Z900 delivers a power-packed experience that will leave you grinning under your helmet. One of the highlights of the 2025 model is its advanced electronics package. It now features multiple riding modes, including Sport, Road, Rain, and a customizable rider mode. Kawasaki traction control and power modes let you tailor the bike's performance to your needs. The bike also gets a fully digital TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to pair your smartphone and access turn-by-turn navigation, call alerts, and more via the Kawasaki Radiology app. This makes the Z900 not just powerful, but smart and connected. In terms of comfort and handling, Kawasaki has done a fantastic job balancing performance and usability. The steel trellis frame is strong yet lightweight, offering excellent stability. The suspension setup includes 41mm inverted front forks and a horizontal backlink rear shock, both fully adjustable to suit different riding conditions. The riding position is slightly aggressive, but still comfortable for daily rides. Kawasaki has also worked on the seat cushioning, making longer rides more enjoyable. The braking system consists of dual 300mm front discs and a 250mm rear disc with dual-channel ABS for confident stopping power. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Kawasaki Z900 offers incredible value for money considering the features and performance it packs. It sits perfectly between mid-weight Streetfighters and higher-end naked superbikes, making it a dream machine for many enthusiasts. With its powerful engine, sharp design, advanced electronics, and rider-friendly ergonomics, the Z900 remains a top contender in its class. So, what do you think about the 2025 Kawasaki Z900? Is it the ultimate naked bike you've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bike Studio for more exciting reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and ride safe.